Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, my today's video is very unique and beautiful because all of the designs are new, and as per your requests and your demands and choice of interest, I am sharing in this video somewhat heavy neckline embroidery ideas, very beautiful color combination based embroidery patterns along with the use of beads, pearls, sequins and mirror work to make them more creative and unique. All of these dresses are considered as formal dresses, office outfits, for party wear. You can look extremely beautiful and pretty in these instead of spending a lot of money onto heavily uh, paid price tag based dresses of handmade, handcrafted needlework from different type of design outfits. You can simply create these design ideas if you know the art of hand embroidery. The embroidery stitches used for making these patterns are also very simple, easy and creative. So it is a humble request to you that do try these patterns and stay tuned for the new latest upcoming videos. And please keep watching our video, keep watching our content and keep supporting us as you always have been, because your continuous support, your continuous love, your continuous watching helps us to grow. So thank you so much and stay tuned for new upcoming content. But before leaving, don't forget to subscribe and like.